Standard 7, Subject Maths, Chapter number 12, Perimeter and Area. Good morning, dear students. In the previous video, we have seen how to find the area and perimeter of square and rectangle. Today, we are going to see surface area. What is a surface area? Surface area of any three-dimensional object is the sum of the area of all its faces. Okay, now let's see the first example, cuboid. Now here you can see cuboid has 6 faces. Each face is in rectangle. Opposite face have the same area. Each edges is perpendicular to the other two edges its meet. Let the length be of the horizontal face of the cuboid and b be the breadth and h be the height of its vertical side. Okay, now how the formula total surface area of a cuboid? The total surface area of a cuboid equal to sum of the area of all rectangles. So the formula of total surface area of a cuboid is 2 in the bracket length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. So in the initial letter, how do we write the formula? 2 in the bracket length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus length multiplied by height. Now cube. Here you can see the cube. Cube has 6 faces. Each face has square. All area of all the faces is equal. Let the side of each square will be L. The area of one face of the cube is area of a square. The total surface area of a cube equal to sum of the areas of 6 square. So what is the formula for area of a square? 6 side multiplied by side. Total how many faces are there? 6. So 6 multiplied by side square. Okay. Based on this two formula, we are going to solve next practice set. Practice set number 47. Question number 1. Find the total surface area of a cube having the following side. Now what is the total surface area of a cube? How much it is? 6 multiplied by side square. Okay, 6 multiplied by side square is the formula for a total surface area of a cube. Okay, we'll start with some. First one is how much? 3 centimeter. Right. First one 3 centimeter. Write the formula. The total surface area of a cube. The total surface area of cube equal to 6 multiplied by side square. So 6 multiplied by side. Side is how much? 3. So side of 3. Square of 3. So 6 multiplied by square of 3 is how much? 9. 9 6 are 54 square centimeter. Understood? Easy. Second one. 5 centimeter. Right. The total surface area of a cube equal to 6 multiplied by side square. So 6 multiplied by side is how much? 5. Square of 5. So 6 multiplied by square of 5 is 25. So 25 multiplied by 6 will give you 150 square centimeter. Okay. Third one. Very easy sums. Third question. 7.2 meter. Right. The total surface area of cube equal to 6 multiplied by side square. So how much is 6? Side is how much? 7.2 square. So 6 multiplied by 7.2. Square of 7.2 will give you 7.2 multiplied by 7.2 will give you 51.84. Okay, multiply and see. 51.84. So 6 multiplied by 51.84 will give you 311.04 square meter. Next. Fourth sum. 6.8 meter. Right. The total surface area of a cube the total surface area of cube equal to 6 multiplied by side square. 6 multiplied by side square. Side is how much? 6.8. 6.8 multiplied by 6.8. So 6 multiplied by 6.8 multiplied by 6. Total surface area of a cube equal to 6 multiplied by side square. 6 multiplied by 6.8 the whole square. So 6 multiplied by 6.8 multiplied by 6.8 will give you how much? 646.24. So multiply these two, you will get 22.77.44 square meter. After decimal point, we don't say 44 and all. We say 44. Okay. Next sum, 5.5 meter. Total surface area of a cube equal to 6 multiplied by side square. So how much is the side? 5.5. So 6 multiplied by 5.5 square. So multiply 5.5 multiplied by 5.5 will give you 30.25. So multiply it with 6. So 181.5 square meter. Now question number 2. Find the total surface area of a cuboid, length, breadth and height as given below. Now length is how much? 12 centimeter. Breadth 10. Height 5. Right. What is the formula for total area of a cuboid? Yes, total surface area of a cuboid. 2 in the bracket length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. This is the formula for total surface area of a cuboid. Right. First sum. Question number 2, first sum. Right. Length equal to 12 centimeter. Breadth 10 centimeter. Height equal to 5 centimeter. Right. Total surface area of a cuboid. The total surface area of cuboid equal to 2 in the bracket length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. So 2. How much is the length? 12 multiplied by breadth 10 plus breadth 10 multiplied by height 5 plus height 5 multiplied by length 12. Okay. So 12 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 10 will give you 120 plus 10 multiplied by 5 50 plus 5 multiplied by 12 60. So 12 plus 120 plus 50 plus 60 will give you how much? 230. So multiply this two. 460 square centimeter. Okay, 460 square centimeter. Therefore, total surface area of a cuboid is 460 square centimeter. Write the last statement. Therefore, total surface area of cuboid equal to 460 square centimeter. Okay. Next sum. Length is how much? 5 centimeter. Right. Length 5 centimeter. Breadth 3.5 centimeter. Height is 1.4 centimeter. So what is the formula for total surface area of a cuboid? Equal to 2 in the bracket length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. So 2, how much is length? 5 multiplied by 3.5. Okay, length multiplied by breadth. 5 multiplied by 3.5 plus breadth is how much? 3.5 multiplied by height 1.4 plus 5 multiplied by 1.4. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 3.5 will give you how much? 17.5 plus 3.5 multiplied by 1.4 will give you 4.9. Okay, plus 5.5 multiplied by 1.4 will give you 7. When you multiply, when you multiply this, you will get this answer. So 2, add all these 3. 17.5 plus 4.9 plus 7. So how much you'll get? 29.4. Multiply by 2. How much you'll get? 58.8 square centimeter. Therefore, total surface area for cuboid is 58.8 square centimeter. Next sum. Third one. 2.5 centimeter. See, centimeter is given in the textbook. It is printing mistake. It is meter, not centimeter. It's meter. 2 meter, 2.4 meter. So length is how much? 2.5. Breadth 2. Height 2.4. Total surface area for cuboid 2 in the bracket length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. So 2 in the bracket 2.5. How much is the length multiplied by breadth? 2.5 multiplied by 2. Okay. Breadth multiplied by height 2 multiplied by 2.4. Height multiplied by length 2.4 multiplied by 2.5. Okay. So 2.5 multiplied by 2 will give you 5. Plus 2 multiplied by 2.4 will give you 4.8. Plus 2.5 multiplied by 2.5. So 2, when you add all these 3, you will get 15.8. Multiply by 2, you will get 31.6 square meter. Not centimeter, it's meter. So total surface area of a cuboid is 31.6 square meter. Fourth sum. 8 meter, 5 meter, 3.5 meter. Length is how much? 8. Breadth 5. Height 3.5. So total surface area of a cuboid equal to 2 in the bracket length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. So 2. How much is the length? 8 meter and 5 meter. So 8 multiplied by 5. 8 multiplied by 5. Breadth and height. 5 multiplied by 3.5. Length multiplied by height. 3.5 multiplied by 8. So 2, 8 5 is 40 plus 5 multiplied by 3.5, 17.5 plus 3.5 multiplied by 8 will give you 28. So add all these 3, you will get 85.5 multiplied by 2. 171 square meter. Therefore, total surface area for cuboid is 171 square meter. Now the next sum. The matchbox is 4 centimeter long, 2.5 centimeter broad and 1.5 centimeter in height. Its outer sides are to be covered exactly with the craft paper. How much paper will be required to do so? Okay. Now this is matchbox. Matchbox. Its length is how much? 4 centimeter. Okay. Breadth is how much? 1.5. Its height is how much? Breadth is how much? 2.5 and height is how much? 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 centimeter. If I have to wrap this matchbox with a craft paper, with craft paper, so how much paper will be required? Okay, this is the sum. So right, question number 3. Right, length equal to 4 centimeter. Breadth equal to 2.5 centimeter. Height equal to 1.5 centimeter. Right. The craft paper needed. The craft paper needed to paste the side of the matchbox equal to the total surface area of a matchbox. The total surface area of the matchbox equal to, what is the formula for total surface area of a cuboid? Now this matchbox is in cuboid shape, right? So total surface area of a cuboid is how much? 2 in the bracket length multiplied by breadth plus breadth multiplied by height plus height multiplied by length. So 2 in the bracket 4 multiplied by 2.5 plus 2.5 multiplied by 1.5 plus 1.5 multiplied by 4. So 2 in the bracket 4 multiplied by 2.5 will give you 10 plus 2.5 multiplied by 1.5 will give you 3.75 plus 4 multiplied by 1.5 will give you 6. Okay. So 10 plus 3.75 plus 6 will give you 19.75. So 2 multiplied by 19.75 will give you how much? 39.5 square centimeter. So how much craft paper is required? Therefore the craft paper is required is how much? 39.5 square centimeter. Okay. Now next sum. Fourth one. An open box of length 1.5, breadth 1 and height 1 meter is to be made using use of a trolley of carrying a garden waste. How much sheet metal will be required to make the box? The inside and the outside surface of the box is to be painted at the rate of 150 rupees per square meter. How much will be it cost to paint the box? Now this is an open box. Okay, this is an open box. Here you can see lid is not there, cover is not there, its lid is not there. This is an open box. Now what they have told, length is how much? 1.5, breadth is how much? 1 meter, and its height is how much? 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter. Now this box is to be painted from inside also and from outside also. Understood? So how much paint will be required? They have asked you. Okay, right. Fourth one. The box is open. Right. The box is open. It means it has no lid. It has no lid. Therefore, the tin sheet required to prepare the box equal to length multiplied by breadth plus 2 breadth multiplied by height plus 2 length multiplied by height. See here, now this is not there, open lid is not there, so length and breadth is gone. The cover of the box got only length and breadth, rest everything is there. So length multiplied by breadth multiplied by plus 2 multiplied by breadth multiplied by height plus 2 length multiplied by height. So 1.5 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 plus 2, length is how much? 1.5 multiplied by 1. Okay, so 1.5 multiplied by 1.5 will give you 1.5, 2 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 1 will give you 2, plus 2 multiplied by 1.5 will give you 3. So how much it is? 6.5. Add this all, you will get 6.5 square meter. The cost of the painting from inside and outside equal to total area inside plus outside multiply by rate. Okay, so 6.5 plus 6.5 multiply by rate is how much? 1.50. Okay, now this area is how much from inside? From inside the area is how much? 6.5, and from outside also it is 6.5. So 6.5 plus 6.5 will give you 13, multiply by 1.50 will give you rupees 1950. Okay, 6.5 square meter of metal sheet is required. The cost of painting is rupees 1950. Kindly go through this sum. Thank you.